You have a problem. You're dehydrated. But it's okay. We have a solution for that because currently it is in the summertime and temperatures will probably rise over up to 100 degrees. Which what do we do? We could make a smoothie. Maybe that's how, but you don't know how. Follow me. I know what to do.
Step 1. We'll need fruits. This will help us with maintaining a flavor over our smoothie. This will not only be very well, but it will also be well produced. We'll also need to make sure that they are not as bad. Mines are particularly frozen so that they can keep more coldness inside them. Step 2. Cup. Not only will we be needing a cup, but we'll also need ice and a particular liquid, or Arizona iced tea. Then we'll be using the cup, add ice inside it. This will make sure that it'll be very cold throughout the process. We done that, we shall add our liquid and pour it inside. We'll also need to make sure there is not too much or too little. I'll indicate this by the letters. Now that we've done that, we can now add the fruits. We could add all of them, or we could just add a little bit of them. It will also make sure we don't overflow on this cup. The excessive amount that we'll have, we'll just pour it back in. Then, our next process we'll be needing to do is blending. Once we'll do that, we'll need to add the cap so that it will particularly blend and keep the stuff inside from going out. Once we've done that, add it on top of the blender. Make sure here click. Make sure that it is on. This is indicated by the blue buttons. I like the low button so I make sure that it's not too much. Then we'll wait for a while. You can now enjoy your treat.
To my cup, and now we'll be testing to see if it'll be good.
Now that we're finished, let us taste how well it is. Cheers to another summer. Definitely beats the heat out in the sun.